People are talking a lot about the awakening now. And there is a huge political awakening going on. That awakening is going on, through these amazing tools. The internet is really helping us to see the machinations and the fakery behind much of the political world. However, there's so many people, there seems to be two sides to this. There are the people that just want to be in the light all the time and never look at the dark. And they're the ones that want to be in the dark, always looking for the newest conspiracy. I say to those of you waking up and looking into these conspiracies, you are amazing. Your minds are amazing. And you are fearless and courageous to look into the darkness and to bring it up. Keep going. But that same mind, if you could take your rational mind and bring it down into your heart, what could happen would be amazing. That same consciousness, that same focus of attention, in union with your highest, your self, the light in you, is incredibly transformative. And you, who are just basking in the light, if you're human, then the dark exists. And you shouldn't be afraid. You shouldn't be afraid. When you wake up to your true nature, it is a union of dark and light. It is beyond polarity. So don't be afraid. There's nothing to be afraid of. They're just, yes, experiences happen. But every experience is fuel for learning and for growing. And I think that we forget that. So in that way, the Archons actually are helpers. They help us. They help us to see the false from the true.